Hello and welcome to Continuum Academy Education for Everyone. This is Parth Mandal, your maths teacher. So today I'm going to explain about absolute value or modulus. So let's take some example. Modulus means we will be talking about some mod. Okay. So if there is a number, say there is a negative number and you operate the mod, then what happens is that negative numbers become positive. Okay, let's check out. So let's check this out with some example. You all know about natural number. Natural numbers are positive numbers, right? Natural numbers. So if we talk about natural number, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot. Okay. Now, if we talk about whole numbers. Whole numbers are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot. You can see in here that all the whole numbers are natural number, right? These all are natural number. So that means in a whole number the difference between natural and a whole number is 0 only. Okay. So in a whole number it contains 0 and in natural number it doesn't contain 0. Okay. Now if I talk about integers, the second numbers is integers. Integers are what? Negative numbers. Okay. Negative numbers, 0, and then the positive numbers, which are also known as the natural numbers. So look here, this is the natural number, this is the whole number, and these are the negative numbers. Negative numbers are also known as negative integers, and this one is positive integers. Okay, and this 0. Now in integers we have three groups. This is one group, this is another group, and this is another group. Three group. Okay, negative, 0, and positive. Now after the integers I have also discussed about the rational numbers, right? Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? So any numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers, right? Okay, now say that my example is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is basically what? This is a rational number. Why? Because minus 1 and 2 are integers, right? Next, 2 by 3, minus 5 by 4, next 3 by minus 2, this is also an integers. If we operate this 3 by minus 2, if you operate with minus 1 and minus 1 both side, okay, numerator and denominator, then what we get is that minus 3 by 2, okay. So these are what our rational numbers. So rational numbers are what? Our 1, 2, 3, all the natural numbers are rational numbers. 0 is also a rational numbers. Then the negative numbers are also a rational numbers. The negative integers, we are talking about negative integers. These are also what? All rational numbers. Now since we are talking about the rational absolute value, okay, so I'm going to discuss this absolute value, but this natural number, whole number, integers, and rational numbers are also important. Now let's check out about the mod. Okay, so mod of any number, say that mod of 2, and in here see this is a 2 and you are operating the mod is basically the straight, okay, it is bounded, okay, it is bounded with two pillars. Okay, so mod of 2, here you can see that 2 is positive. So any number inside this pillar, whatever number you put, you are going to get a positive number only. Okay, say that you are putting 2 is a positive number, so you will get 2 answer. But if you are putting minus 2 is a negative number. Okay, inside this pillar you are putting minus 2, so this minus 2 you will get the positive number only. Say that you are putting -5, mod of, you will pronounce this as mod of -5. You will pronounce this as mod of -5. Mod of -5 is 5. Okay. Now mod of -7, it will be 7. Means negative numbers are also converting in positive, and positive numbers are also in positive only. Okay. So next, now if I talk about this -1/2. Okay, now I want to find out this. As you can see, as you know, that -1/2 is a negative rational numbers. Okay, is a negative rational number. So this will be what? 1/2 only, because -1/2 is a negative number. But when you operate this mode, what you get? A positive number. So this -1/2, it is basically this. Okay, let me write in the with details. -1/2, it is basically minus of 1/2. Okay, which is equal to 1/2. Clear? So you don't need to follow this one. Okay, you just see that whether the number is negative or positive. If it is negative, then write it in the positive form. And if it is, say that if you are talking about this 1/2 and you want to find the mod of 1/2, here 1/2 is positive. Okay, positive rational number. So the answer will be 1/2 only. Okay. Now let's check another example. Say that -2/3. I'm talking about -2/3. Okay. Now now I want to find modulus of this -2/3. Okay, mod means MOD, mod. Okay, mod. So mod of -2/3, it will be 2/3. Clear? Mod of -1/3 will be 1/3. Mod of 2/3, it will be 2/3. Mod of -7, minus of -7. Okay, first of all, in here you are going to multiply this. Okay, so mod of minus into minus is plus, so you will get 7. Okay, you will get 7 here. So which is equal to mod of 7 is what? 7. Clear? So first of all, now remember, don't confused with this bracket and with this mod. Okay, this is a bracket and this is mod. Okay, this convert your negative numbers, any negative numbers, into positive. Okay, and this is the bracket. Okay, so there is a difference, so don't get confused. Don't write in your exam that mod. If you write this mod like this, then it is wrong. Okay, don't think that this mod is bracket. Clear? Now let's solve some question. Let me solve one question. Okay, let's take a look to a question. This question has been taken from your assignment, question number 10. Minus mod of -2/3 plus mod of -1/3 plus mod of minus bracket -2/3 minus mod of -1/3. Okay, so the green line that you can see are the mod. Okay, so here let me divide this. Let me divide it. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 parts. I'm going to follow the lengthy process. Okay, so that is mod of -2/3. Okay, so it will be 2/3, as -2/3 is a negative rational number. So this -2/3 will be what? 2/3. It will be converted into positive. Then -1/3, what it will be? 1/3. Then mod of -2/3. First of all, multiply this minus and minus. Okay, what you will get? Plus 2/3. Mod of 2/3. So the answer will be what? The answer will be mod of 2/3. It is 2/3. Okay, next mod of minus 1 by 3, it will be 1 by 3. Okay, now let's solve this question. Okay, let's solve this question. So here you have mod of minus 2 by 3. Mod of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3, and also you can see that here we have one minus. Okay, also you can see that we have another minus here, right? Okay, let me cut this. Okay, done. We also have one minus here outside the mod. Okay, outside the mod you have, that means you will not operate this minus with this mod. We, in the question it is not given. If in your question it was that mod of like this, then you are going to operate. Okay, then you are going to operate, but no, there is no any mod, so we are not going to operate. So minus is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, plus 1 by 3 plus what is the value of this? You can see the value of this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Next, after the mod we have minus, mod of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Okay, mod of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. So now you can see that 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, this will get cancelled. Okay, and also you have minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3, this will also get cancelled. So the answer will be what? It is equal to 0. See now, minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, it is equal to 0, and 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, it is equal to 0, and 0 plus 0, it is equal to 0, right? So this is your answer. Okay, so this question is taken out from class 8. Okay, class 7 you also take this question, because I have given you some more questions. So let me discuss some more questions with you. Okay, this question is from class 7. Okay, class 7, question number 16. Okay, now we have to check that whether this right hand side it is equal to the left hand side or not. This left hand side is equal to RHS or not, we have to check this one. Okay, so first of all let us take the left hand side. Left hand side, you can see that mod of 18 minus 17. Okay, so which is, first of all, the mod is outside the numbers. Okay, so that means first of all you have to apply the Bodmas rule. Apply the Bodmas rule here. So that is 18 minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 17. So what is 18 plus 17? 18 plus 17, it will be mod of 35. And you can see that 35 is positive number. So mod of 35, it will be 35. Okay, now let's check out for the right hand side. If we check out for the right hand side, we have that mod of 18 minus mod of minus 17. Okay, now here you can see that this is the mod and this is the bracket. Okay, so 18 minus, if we operate the bracket, if we remove the bracket, then we get mod of minus 17. So 18 minus mod of minus 17 is what? Mod of minus 17 is our 17. Okay, so 18 minus 17 is 1. So as you can check that left hand side, it is not equal to right hand side. 35 is not equal to 1, right? So our left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So that means what we can say that in this question number 16, the option number 5, okay, the option number 5, this statement is not true. Okay, this statement is not true. Okay, now let's discuss one more question. Another question we have that minus 15 this is another question. So you can see that there is one mod and there is a bracket. Okay, so minus 15 into minus 20. Okay, so here you can see that minus 15 into minus 20, these are the bracket, it is inside the bracket. Now I'm going to operate the mod here. So if I operate the mod, what happens is that mod of minus 17 is 17 into 5. Okay, so which will be what? Now first of all, multiply this one, minus into minus, it will be plus, minus into minus, it is plus. So 15 into 20, so 15 into 20 you will get. Okay, so minus minus, it will become plus. So 15 into 2 into 10. Okay, so 2 into 15 is 30, 30 into 10 is 300, 300 into 17 into 5. Okay, so now multiply this 17 into 5. 17 into 5, it is basically what? 85. So 85 into 300, it is equal to what? Okay, so this is your answer. Clear? So don't get confused with mod and with the bracket. Now let's discuss. Let me take another question. Now there is in multiple choice question, class 7. Okay, class 7 multiple choice question. In multiple choice question, you have one question that is minus 5 into 6. So you can see that if you multiply this 5 6 is 30, which is equal to minus 30. Now you have to match the option. The options are minus 5 into, and the second option is this. These are all mod. Okay, it is with the mod. Clear? Now you have to check that which answer, okay, which option matches this answer. Okay, minus 30. Now if you try to find out this one, minus mod of minus 5 is 5, 5 into 6 is 30, and this is what? Minus 30, and this is 30, and this is also 30. So the answer matches is that this. So remember that first of all you operate inside the mod. So here I have multiplied this. 5 into 3 is 5 into 6 is 30. So mod of 30, which is equal to minus 30. Clear? So this is how you are going to do the questions of mod. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and please share this to your friends. And if you have any doubt, then please leave your question in the comment below. I will surely reply you all, and see you all on the next video. Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye bye.